TradeLab is an amazing win-win for everybody because it allows our beneficiaries, who are a range of developing countries, least developed countries, NGOs, to get free and excellent advice from students who are carefully supervised by faculty and supported by experts. It's a win for the students too because they get to do work that is meaningful and is actually helpful to a wide variety of beneficiaries. Everything from, we had a project a couple years ago where the Caribbean islands said that they understood they had an obligation to comply with the UN Security Council resolution that says you can't trade or be a transit point for biological, chemical, or nuclear weapons. But they had no idea, didn't even know what subject of law they would be talking about to try to do that. And my students were able to draft an export control law that would govern and would be helpful to the Caribbean. South Sudan needed to have a tariff schedule drafted in order for them to be able to accede to the East African Customs Union. Nobody in South Sudan really knew how to write a tariff schedule, but my students, carefully guided, could do that and could produce, again, meaningful work. So it's a great opportunity for students to be able to put a lot of their training and their learning to the benefit of beneficiaries who really couldn't afford to and couldn't take the time or the expense to get the kind of trade and investment advice that students can provide. And the other wonderful thing about the TradeLab is that the projects then are often written up in a way that can be published, can be put out in the public domain, can be available for a wide variety of people to read. So it's a fantastic program for both the beneficiaries and for the students, and gives an opportunity for experts and mentors to participate in the program along the way.